Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build Withered Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. This build is highly accurate because it has a hook, 2 legs, and as well as a movable mouth and teeth as well. This build can also stand, as you can see here. So, let's get right into the tutorial for this one. Anyways, now that that's done, let's assemble Withered Foxy. Let's first take the body and this part and connect it like this. Then let's take the head and we put it right here. Also, the bottom jaw can move, so you can like put it like this, which looks pretty cool. Anyways, the hand with the hook goes on this side, and the normal hand goes on this side. Oh, let me just fix that up right there. Okay. Anyways, now we take the side where this piece is facing outwards and we put it on here, and then this piece goes here. Anyways, this is Withered Foxy from Lego. I hope you really do enjoy this build because I enjoyed building this thing as well. And I hope you share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. If you really do like Five Nights at Freddy's Lego, then I can build more Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Lego builds. And if you really like it, then you can share this video with your friends. And stay tuned for the next videos. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.